Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about speeds and units of measurement in the computer. Memory units. We have something called bit. If it is 1, that means it is on and it allows electricity. If it is 0, that means it is off and it prevents electricity. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Now, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. What about the kilobytes size? A kilobyte size, it is the multiplication of 1024 by 1 byte, so we get 1024. A megabyte, as an abbreviation, it is MB. Here, MB, the megabyte, and its size is the multiplication of 1024 by 1024, so we get this value. Gigabyte, as an abbreviation, it is GB, and its size is 1024 multiplied by this value, by megabyte, by this value, so we get this number. Finally, terabyte, as an abbreviation, it is TB, and its size is 1024 multiplied by this value, so we get this number. Now, CPU speed. We have a CPU. It consists of transistors. A transistor is a binary switch, allows or prevents electricity. There are millions or billions of transistors inside a single CPU. We have hertz. What does hertz mean? Here it's the frequency, here low frequency, here high frequency, here ultra high frequency. Here it is 5 Hertz, here 8 Hertz, here 15 Hertz. A Hertz is cycles per second. During each cycle, billions of transistors open and close. Higher clock speed, or Hertz, means a faster CPU within the same generation. This is important to know. Within the same generation, like two computers from the same generation. Now, clock speed and Hertz are essentially the same, measuring the frequency of a CPU's cycles per second. A CPU with a clock speed of 3.4 GHz executes 3.4 billion cycles per second. So a clock speed of 3.4 GHz executes 3.4 billion cycles per second. 32-bit and 64-bit. Let's see the difference between them. 32-bit is less processing power, slower, older, and less secure, while 64-bit more processing power, faster, newer, more secure. A 32-bit can allocate only 4 GB of memory, while 64-bit can allocate 4 GB, 8 GB, much more RAM. 32 bits, we mean by 32 bit, it is 2 to the power 32, and it is equal to this number. The same for 64 bit, it is 2 to the power 64, and we get this value of bytes. 32-bit can only run a 32-bit operating system and 32-bit software. That means like when you download an application which is supposed to be for a 64-bit and you download it for 32-bit, it won't work. But for a 64-bit, it can run both 64-bit and 32-bit operating system and software. We should note that if you install a 32-bit operating system on a 64-bit computer, then it will run 32-bit software only. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you run into any challenges or if there is something you would like more clarification on, don't hesitate to write in the comments. Like, subscribe, share the video, and hope to see you in the next video.